We're joined now by Todd and the experienced folks, attorneys, CFPs. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Great to see you. We're talking about a lot of stuff that you have coming up. Particularly, you've got an event that's coming up that we want to talk about. But first of all, kind of remind us what you do.
Sure. Generations Legal Group is a law firm that focuses on mainly two things: estate planning and working with folks who are going into the nursing home. Okay, Medicaid, things like that, helping people get that paid for without losing everything. But our focus since pretty much January has been to work with families, younger families, on getting their estates in order, both legally and financially.
Yeah. What do you think it is that sets you all apart from kind of other groups?
You know, there are a lot of attorneys, there are a lot of financial advisors, but what we've found is that they don't always collaborate very well. And so we can cover all of the areas of someone's financial life under one roof. And so when you have collaboration, we tend to have a lot better results.
Yeah, and I think that speaks a lot to getting successful results, not just results, but successful results, because you're willing to work with each other and help the great people of Northwest Arkansas.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, Lori just started with us back about a year ago.
Okay.
The best thing for me is getting to help families who are kind of in the same demographic as my family. I have two young daughters, and it's so crucial for young families to do their estate plan if they have minor children. It's truly crucial. A lot of times the misconception is, oh, just wait until you're older, but it's very rewarding. And in fact, yesterday we met with a client, and it was her birthday.
She was a younger family.
Yeah, younger mom. And we were kind of like, well, we're sorry, we have to talk about, because
it's not always fun stuff to talk about.
Yes.
Yeah, it can be a little
You know,
uncomfortable.
transitioning.
But she was like, no, this is my birthday gift to myself. I've been wanting to do this. I've been putting it off, and I'm finally taking the plunge, and I feel a huge sense of peace.
Is there anything you could do? Because I think a lot of people are in a similar boat where they haven't taken the plunge, but they know they need to. What is something you would encourage our viewers maybe just to go ahead and take that next step?
I would say that every client that I work with breathes a big sigh of relief at the end of the meeting and says, why did I put this off so long? So truly, just call us, and we do the hard work. It may be the first time for a family to do their estate planning. It's not ours. We've got it, and we can craft to excellent results.
Sure.
Yeah. Well, what can you tell us about this upcoming event?
Yeah, tomorrow we're at NWAC, and with the election, I'm sure people are concerned about their finances and their legal thing, and so Ian and I are doing a joint presentation on financial, legal, kind of in air of what we think may happen from this point forward.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I know that the economy was a huge issue this year during the election. So the fact that you're kind of coming together to offer some next steps for people, that's really great.
But go ahead.
Well, we're really passionate about education, and so we're going to continue to do more and more events. What we find is that when folks are educated and they have clarity about how their situation works, they feel more confident, and that's really the goal. And so, that's the first step is education. The next step really is action, though. And what's kind of tough to talk about is that everyone has an estate plan. There's a default plan, which is what the state describes. In our opinion, that's really never in your best interest. And so what we encourage folks is be educated about the process so that you can design your estate plan and your financial plan to be what you want to happen. It takes some proactivity, but it's worth it.
So what I'm hearing you say is there is going to be a plan for you whether you decide on that plan or not. So it's in your best interest to decide on the plan for
Have
yourself.
a say in it, for sure.
Yeah, I hear that.
It's taking control of what you can control, and I think that's really important.
Yeah,
Great.
that's
Well,
great.
and where can people go just for more information about you guys?
Yeah, generationslegalgroup.com. That is our website. Ian was just telling me tomorrow may be full, but
We're
we've
oversold,
got
but we're going to do some more.
We're going to do plenty of those, but yes, generationslegalgroup.com is our website. Please go there, check it out, and sign up for future things we're doing.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's great to hear that there's so much interest. So
Thank you.
wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you all
Thank
for
you so
joining
much.
us.
Yeah.
Thank you for that
Thank you.
collaborative spirit that you have. We love that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Appreciate it.
having